Now, I don't have much experience with dating websites because, well, I've been married for the last 14 years and that's basically when they've all just popped up and appeared. But I do remember way back looking at the kind of early versions of those, and also the Lonely Hearts that you used to get in the Friday ads at the back of the newspapers and stuff. And I used to find them fascinating because basically all you've got is a few sentences or 30 seconds or whatever it is to try and make an impression, to catch an eye, to capture some attention. Sound familiar? Sales and marketing? Anyway, the ones that I used to read in the newspaper had this common theme that ran through them, and a large proportion of people said the same thing. And the advert went something like this: I like going to the cinema, meals out, cuddling up on the sofa, and I like having fun. Fun? Fun? Who doesn't like having fun? Fun, by the very definition of it, is fun. And it always used to make me wonder why someone would choose someone who said that, unless they were somebody else who liked having fun, over someone who had a more original or quirky or unusual paragraph or description. So fast forward 20 years, and what's interesting is that we're all now on social media and we're all trying to make an impression and create engagement and publish content and all that kind of thing. And there's a lot of reflections in it. Okay, so we're not dating, but we're all trying to communicate something unique and interesting in order to engage other people. But if you can't bring something new to the conversation, then you might as well be telling people that you like having fun. Originality is a key component when it comes to creating content, and it's something that's going to really help you stand out in a fast-moving thing like a social media feed. So stop and think before you post. Brainstorm 10 ideas and leave 8 of them on the cutting room floor. Research your ideas, challenge conventional wisdom, watch other creators' posts and videos that you like and learn from them. But most of all, have a bit of fun, because everybody likes fun.